Alright, back with some more pack rips. Made a mistake and thought my video was recording when I was ripping packs earlier. And I pulled this spring training commemorative cap logo patch out of one of the packs that I opened. Thought that was pretty cool. Houston Astros logo centered right there in the middle. So keep going with these pack rips. I still have 9 left, so a little over 100 cards left. See what we can find. I've been waiting all day at work, just waiting to come back and rip the rest of these packs open. There we go. Topic Scooble, Charlie Blackmon, nice. Jake Bowers, Eloy Jimenez, Chris Davis. See how many hits he can get this year. Liam Hendricks, Colin Moran, Kenta Maeda, nice. He's getting up there. Omar Marvez. Uh-oh. See another number card in there. Orlando Arcia. What do we got here? Roman Quinn. Nice. Numbered 191 to 300. Set that one aside, throw that in the sleeve. Blake Taylor. Walk-off card. An alternate Josh Bell. Nice. Yeah, I was so excited when I pulled that Alex Bregman. That pack didn't feel fat or anything. It just felt normal. And cracked it open. I was like, what the heck? Pretty sweet. I'm still pretty new in the whole, card collecting game. So, if you guys got comments or anything for me, help me out. I'll be more than appreciative of that. David Peterson. I've been putting all my rookie cards in sleeves, kind of getting a pile off to themselves, just to watch how the rookies do throughout the year. Anderson Tejeda, Keibert Ruiz. Boy, there's a lot of rookies in this pack. Ryan Mountcastle, Carlos Correa, nice. Mitch Keller, Jerickson Profar, Will Smith. I wonder how much crap he catches for his name. Oscar Mercado, Kyle Lewis. I've been seeing a lot of these 35th anniversary cards with the red back on them. They're pretty cool, pretty nostalgic. Rougned Odor, it's the first one I got of him. Boy, that guy can throw a punch. If you guys have ever seen his fights. Wilmer Flores. Oh, that one was stuck in there. Blake Snell. Another Corey Seager card. This one's kind of cool. Got the World Series trophy there. It's a pretty sweet card. Alright, on to the next one. Yeah, I forgot who that guy was that Rougned got in a fight with. One right hook to the face and just knocked him right out. Alright, come on. There we go. Gotta get a little help here. Just doing this on my phone, I got a GoPro. I think I'm gonna start breaking more packs. Get that GoPro up and going and try that out. Probably be a little less shaky when I'm not using my hands. Anthony Santander, Hunter Harvey, Danny Mendick, Mike Clevenger, Alex Bregman, nice. Gio Urshela, Come on, cards. Francisco Mejia. Kyle Seager. Max Stassi. Another Cody Bellinger. Set that one aside. I've gotten a few of his so far in these packs, all the different variations, so I'm going to put all those in sleeves and compare them all. Marco Gonzalez. Wilson Ramos. Clayton Kershaw, another World Series card. Set that one aside too. And Lourdes Gurriel Jr. I don't know, I might have messed that up. Yeah, when I was younger, I used to collect a lot of baseball cards, and then kind of got out of baseball growing up for a while. And then, oh Jesus, went to a Rangers game for work a few years ago and forgot how much I love this game. Jeimer Candelario, Ryan Castellini. I know I've got a couple of him so far. Nick Heath, going in the rookie pile. Tristan McKenzie. Sean Manaea. Aldis Chapman. Lorenzo Cain. Johan Daza. Oh, here we go. Oh, I got one of these already this year. It's one of these Kyle Schwarber cards. It's the second one I've got this year from just a regular pack. You gotta scratch this off and then enter the code below, and then you can win a prize, including going to the home run derby. So I'll set that off to the side. Pittsburgh Pirates. Ryan Brazier. Nolan Arenado. Paul Goldschmidt. What we got down here? Atlanta Braves. Nice. All right. Getting down there. I got 5 packs left. Brandon Bielak. Michael Lorenzen. Tim Anderson. Jose Quintana. Brian Goodwin. Albert O'Mora Jr. Julio Urias. Max Kepler. Luke Voigt. Nice. First one of him so far. Oh, cool. Got one of these Mike Trout 35th anniversary cards. Set that one off to the side too. Nick Neidert. Oh, it's kind of cool. There's a guy that my wife went to high school with now. I guess he got drafted to, I think he's playing for Miami. Can't remember. Yeah, it's definitely not him because he's been in the league a few years. So just throw that in the rookie pile. Dylan Bundy. Mitch Haniger. All right. Would have been cool to pull an auto out of this pack instead of that, that cap thing, but you know, that cap card is still pretty cool with the commemorative patch in there. Shane Bieber. Matthew Boyd. Hello, Luke Voigt. Josh Reddick. Mauricio Dubon. Ketel Marte. I got him on my MLB 19 The Show that I've been playing recently. Just crushing homers. Javier Baez. Nice. Gene Segura. Look at that for an oldie. Mike Schmidt. Kevin Gausman. Max Scherzer. Holy crap, he looks intense in that. It's a good picture of him. LA Dodgers card. Garrett Richards. Jacob deGrom. Alright, 3 packs left. Let's bust through these. Daniel Murphy. Brad Hand. Nomar Mazara. Oh, there's one stuck under there. Austin Hayes. Brandon Nimmo. Nice. Adam Frazier. Charlie Morton. Matt Chapman. Joaquin Soraya. Marcus Simeon. Neody Tavares. I'm going to go on my rookie pile. Mike Minor. Another World Series card. Walker Buehler. And nice, Mookie Betts. Alright, 2 packs left. If any of these cards that I have in this pack rip here, if you guys are looking for any of your collection, just let me know. You know, I'm working on getting my collection together too, so you know, if there's anything that you see in here that you absolutely got to have, because like this, maybe Luis Castillo, you're, you know, a huge Reds fan, you don't have that one yet, you know, just let me know. Anthony Rizzo, Pedro Severino, Max Fried, Rhys Hoskins. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Aaron Judge. I'm going to set that off to the side too. Marwin Gonzalez. Brandon Woodruff. And Joey Gallo. Nice. Hunter Renfroe. I don't know if you guys play MLB The Show or not. Waiting for that 21 to come out. Got that pre-ordered. Pretty excited to play that. I was on the tech test, and that was pretty cool. Getting to play that a little bit early. Miami Marlins card. Jake Arrieta. And who we got left here? AJ Pollock. Perfect. All right, last pack. Put some of these in the sleeves. I'll get them sorted. Get my list of who I got and who I still need for the year going. Of course, this last pack has to just be difficult. There we go. Trying to do this without damaging the cards at all. Alright. Tyler Stevenson. Throw him in the rookie pile. Eddie Alvarez. Nice. Throw him in the rookie pile. We got here Casey Mize. He's going in the rookie pile. Sixto Sanchez. Throw him in the rookie pile. Archie Bradley. Pete Alonso. Nice. Ronald Guzman. Uh-oh, card upside down in here. Yadier Molina. Oh, all right. What do we got here? Chris Paddock with, can't tell if that's gold. Yeah, it looks kind of gold. border, and it's also numbered. 45 out of 2021. Nice. Throw that in my side stash there. David Dahl. Oliver Perez. Wade LeBlanc. Slam Diego, 4 games, 4 slams. Nice. And Trevor Williams. And that was the last of my pulls from that. So yeah, that was my my relic, which is still pretty cool. You know, definitely not unhappy about that. Still pretty cool to get relic cards out of there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks.